Oh, where are you? Hi everybody. Today's a work day, so I'm going to prep dinner again before going to work, and I actually don't have long to do it. I've only got about half hour. Oh, so it's going to be quite rapid this morning. Probably noticed we haven't had much veg this week. As you remember, I bought a nice big pack of veg. Haven't used it. And it's still quite cold here up in the mountains in Spain. So I'm going to do a nice vegetable stew with dumplings, which some friends kindly got us with syrup when they went down to the coast and went to an Iceland. So we can still get bits and pieces like that, but it's a bit of a travel. So I've got my veg, a couple of potatoes, onions and garlic, some fresh sage out the garden, and a couple of bay. So I'm going to crack on and prep all this, so we will come back shortly. Okay, so I've made quick work of chopping my veg. Being a stew, it doesn't all have to be perfect. You can have it as roughly chopped as you like. I've got things in order as I'm going to cook them. So I'm going to start off with my onions and garlic. Then I'm going to add the potato. Probably add the parsnip with the carrots. We've got a couple of carrots. Over here I've got some leek celery and turnip. For some reason there was no sweet in the pack this week. And then I've got all my veggie peelings, which you'll see what I'm going to do with those in a minute. Okay, probably not the best angle I know, but my camera stand's a bit floppy and that's the best I can do at the moment. So I've melted some butter. I've got my onions and garlic in my trusty pan. Over here I've got a nice big pot going. You might be able to just see, but I've got some veg and onions and skins and ends and everything that I've kept during the week. This is from today. So it's the garlic skins, carrot peelings, potato peelings, bits of the onions you're not using, anything. Any veg you can buy in. Broccoli stalks, anything on those lines. It's a bit high because I'm actually having to do this quite quickly. I've also added, for us, for a little bit more flavour, some chicken stock cubes. And I'm going to chuck in a couple of bay. So that will stay on the simmer for a while. I'll boil it all up and then simmer it down and you just get a lovely, lovely stock. Okay, so onions and garlic, and goes the potato. And try and get them nice and brown so you just get the flavour later. So it's not a very nice day today, so I can imagine I'm going to be quite busy at work. I work in a local village not far from here, where I live. And yeah, I do everything. I do everything from the cleaning to the cooking, serving behind the bar, and a waitress. So, not the most amazing waitress. I'm more the backup house person, personally. But we get by. So obviously that's the carrots and the parsnips going in. You can see slowly the potato is getting a bit of colour. So I'm just getting this prepared enough so I can put it into my crock pot. So literally when I come home from work, I can literally just put it into the oven and it's ready to go. And then an hour-ish, it'll be ready. Which will be fantastic. Sometimes I don't get in. Well, it sounds early, but 6:30, sometimes 7. And if you have to prep it all, dinner can be quite late, and we prefer to eat by 8 o'clock in the evening. We just find it suits us. So that was the leeks, the celery, the turnip. That's gone in there now. Whoop. flying veg there. So yeah, I'm just going to let those brown off as much as I can afford time-wise. I don't actually have any stock made, hence why I'm making a big pot now. This is a chicken stock cube, just for extra flavour. If you are a vegetarian, obviously a vegetable stock cube. It does help with the seasoning as well. Yeah, you might find it's weird I'm always using tongs, but they're like an extension to my hand. I just find it so much easier than trying to spoon it all around. Turn it over easier. Okay, let's get into a nice colour at first. Approximately 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm using plain, but if you've only got self-raising or anything, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So let's leave it a little bit gooey. I'm going to see if I've got anything. Oh, yeah. I have a bit of white wine in the fridge, that's great. Oh, there's not much left, I'm going to add it all. Again for me, just a bit of flavour. Just gonna deglaze the pan with the wine. And get all the flour coated. And then somewhere, here it is, I've got probably just under a litre of veg stock. Well, actually, I lied, it's chicken stock. Which, when it's cooked in the oven, it will thicken up to a nice sauce. Because you've got the flour to thicken it, you'll have all the starch from the potatoes and a bit of parsnip, etc. So that will thicken up. I just going to add a bit more. So actually, that's probably just over half a litre. Maybe 700 ml of stock. And there you go. Yep, a bit rapid, but I obviously would like to spend a bit more time browning off the vegetables to obviously enhance the flavour of them, but that would do nicely. And I'm just going to spoon. I'm just going to try it and see if I need any extra seasoning. It's not too far off. So I'm going to, I love black pepper. Add in some black pepper. I might add a little bit more salt and then I'll give it a go. There we go. It's not looking bad for veg, is it? Right, let's get another spoon. Oh, yeah, no, that's fine. I'm going to add my bay. And then in my crock pot, I'm going to pour this in. And then I'm just going to put my sage just in the top. So if it's in the pot, it'll be something on those lines. Just to add some flavour through. I don't want to overpower it totally with sage chopped up through it. Okay, I'll catch you in a little while. Oh, can't quite get in. My camera stand makes a really, really bad noise. So here I am. I've had a well busy day at work today. It's been absolutely manic. I think when I got to work at 11:30 this morning, we had about 20 customers in there already on their coffees and beer and glasses of anise and whatnot. So I've had my stew in the oven for about half hour. So I don't expect it's going to be bubbly hot, but it will need a half hour or more coming up soon. So let's have a look. I am so glad I prepared this before I went to work this morning. So it's not looking bad actually. Oh, where did it go? Oh, never mind. I thought I had a knife out. That's what we do. Just going to check the potatoes. Yeah, in about half hour or so, they should be really nice. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my dumplings. So, as you can see, the damp towel did work in the fridge. Okay. And then, oh, not very well. I'm going to pop it back in the oven for half hour or so and hopefully it'll be ready. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, the stew's now been in the oven about an hour and I've been a bit knackered actually. I've done a rough calculation on how much it's cost. Down to the basics, it came in at about 162 euros. And then obviously I might have missed off with a few bits and pieces like a bit of flour, a bit of butter I used earlier. So I've just randomly sort of estimated what the extra would cost with sort of a bit of my knowledge and stuff. So I'm saying dinner tonight it's coming in at €2. The veg pack was 1.20, and I just halved it, and I used actually less than half that was in there. So it gives you a rough idea of how much it costs. But yeah, it won't be any more than €2. So let's have a look. Hopefully, under here I've got a nice bubbly, fluffy dumpling vegetable stew. Oh wow. That looks amazing. I don't know if you can see how good those dumplings look. Oh, it smells great. Oh, I am so going to enjoy this. And at the end of the day, I know it's only a stew, but it looks good. I know, I hope it's going to taste good. So who says like veg is got to be boring? So, yeah, I'm absolutely starving, so I'm not going to hang around. So yeah, see you later.